What's up, traders? Watching BPMX for the afternoon squeeze, you guys. Got in this thing at the break of 30. This is like my fourth time trading this thing. Took a few wins on this thing, maybe 2 wins and 1 loss on this thing. And the problem is with BPMX is there's hard resistance at 32 cents. There's really hard resistance. Let me take you guys to a minute chart to show you. We have very hard resistance at 32 cents. A few days ago on the 5-minute chart, on the 5-day chart, we tested 32 cents a couple times. We tested it a couple times right here. We couldn't crack it, but when we finally cracked it, 32 cents became support, held that support. But guess what? When it cracked right under 32 cents became the new resistance. Like how we always say, previous support becomes new resistance. So this is our new resistance, 32 cents. Then when we look at the bigger picture, let's take you guys to a daily chart to look at the bigger picture. Let's say right here, you guys. Right here was our previous support. You can see this thing in last year was holding this 35-36 cent area, right? But guess what? When it cracked below this 35-36 cent area, 32, it tried to bounce back up. It got stuffed by the 50 moving average and this new 33 cent area. So this new 33 cent area got denied once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So 5 times this thing got denied. Let's look at closer. We got denied again here 6 times in the past few days. We got denied right here again in that same area between 33 and 35 cents. But 33 cents broke yesterday, okay? But guess what? This stock was in a bullish trend. As soon as it broke this bullish trend, it held our 30 cent area. That's our next support, is that 30 cents area, because it is a round number and traders like to use that. So I was like, okay, if this thing breaks 30 cents today and holds 30 cents, this could be a good buy for Monday. Now I messed up because I bought a little too early and didn't check how many day trades I have left. And come to find out, now I don't have any more day trades left. So if I try to sell this thing right now, which I won't because it's only a small position, I'm only up $42. So if I try to take profits right now, I'll be flagged as a pattern day trader, and I don't want my account to get frozen. If I knew that, I would have took it in my other accounts. I wasn't thinking right today, you guys. I was in 2 other positions in the morning. One broke even. This thing took a loss on it for $18. So I was in this thing last night, held it again, but sold when I seen it go under 30, but got back in at the break of 30. Because I was like, okay, I'm thinking this thing could get some attention if it breaks 32. 32 is a hard resistance points. And this blue line right here is my trend line. This is when it broke the daily trend line. This blue line right here. So this is our daily chart. This is a 30-minute right now, but let me show you a daily. This is our trend line on the daily. I know there's a lot of lines, you guys, because I was traded this stock like over and over. This is our trend line on the daily. Look at when this thing broke our trend line right here, got bought up at the 200 MA, real good. So the 200 MA held really good. So that's a great sign. Look at you guys, right at the 200 MA, buyer stepped up, bought this thing up. And today we got some new support at 30 cents. But the thing is, look at what our trend is, you guys. This is also a resistance line. So we have resistance right here at 33 cents, and we have resistance from longer term resistance at 34 cents. And we have our shorter term resistance right here at 32 cents, where the stock is fighting right now. I know it takes a while to get resistance and support, you guys, but just look at charts over and over again. You can see it's lunchtime right now, and we still got some action. So hopefully, I'm thinking about 2 o'clock. Either this thing will dump off, or this thing will close strong. But if it does dump off, we have good support at 30. So I'll still be holding it over the weekend. I have no other choice but to hold it. But this is a very, 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 very risky play for me. If this thing crashes 100%, 50%, 30%, I'm stuck, you guys. And I'd rather lose a couple $100 than not be able to trade and get my account frozen or whatever. So be careful, you guys. Lesson we learned today is check how many day trades you have left if you are under the PDT rule. That's why I've been swinging lately overnight. I just been putting on more trades lately, more trades lately. There's been a lot of opportunities, you guys, in the market, and kind of forgot about the PDT rule. And look at right now, we have a huge wall of sellers at 32 cents. So short stepped up. They're going to sell the resistance, like I said earlier. They're going to probably use the trend line or the 32, 33 cent area as their risk. So if buyers step up and buy the 32 cent area, shorts could start covering, and we could see a good afternoon run to this thing. This thing could close strong, and I want to see buyers buying in anticipation to the conference also on Monday. Basically trying to buy on rumors, sell on the news Monday, sell on the conference. This thing might go down on Monday. We don't know, but right now this thing looking strong. Still a little bullish. Broke under the trend on the daily, but held really good at the 28 moving average. I mean at the 200 moving average, and held really good at the 30. We'll see if this thing holds the 30. And in my plan, I said, okay, as long as this thing stays above the 200 MA, it's a potential swing. So not too good with swing traders. When I swing, it's only overnight or over the weekend. But you guys, depending on your strategy, that's my strategy. That's how I look at things. If anybody needs any help, any questions, you already know. Hit me up. Remember, guys, KIS. Keep it simple. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace out.